Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.